Hey everyone, welcome to my class. Alright, so today we are going to study about order of operation. Alright, so why we need to study this to order of operation? You might probably did some operation before, right? And some of you just realized that sometimes you got the different result. Okay, so what happened with that? The reason why is you don't use the order of operation. All right. So right now I would like to explain how we can order the operation. Okay. We have the rules in calculating operation. All right. So let me first explain about this. Order of operation actually it has two terms. The first one is the basic of operation, all right, and then the second one, of course, we have the grouping symbols, all right, because in some calculation sometimes we mix the operation with the grouping symbol, all right. So as you know, right, the basic operation, okay, the basic operation we have for the first one is addition, right? And then subtraction, and then we have multiplication and division, right? And then for grouping symbol, we have three symbols here. We have brackets, and then parentheses, and brace. All right, sometimes we mix the operation symbol with grouping symbol in one calculation. Okay, now we need to study and concern with the rules, right? Okay, so here we have the rules. We call it as here BEDMAS rules. Okay, so what is BEDMAS here? BEDMAS stands for the 6 operation and grouping symbol, right? So the first one we have B. B stands for brackets, all right? And then E stands for exponent or indices or power of something. And then D stands for division. M stands for multiplication, A, addition, of course, and the last, subtraction. So this order of operation is very important because if you don't use this rule, you probably get the different result of operation. Okay. Now let's see the examples. Okay, so the first example we have this 5 plus 3 times 8 minus 6 divided by 2. Okay, so look, we have the 4 basic operation in one calculation. So how we can calculate this? Of course, remember using BEDMAS rule. Okay, since we don't have brackets here, parentheses of something, so we can start with the division, right? The division, and then multiplication, addition, and subtraction. All right, so we do first the division. We have here 6 divided by 2, so it will be 3, right? So it's 3, and then after that, M, multiplication, so 3 times 24, times 8, 24, I mean, sorry. And the last 5 plus 24. So basically in this calculation, you need to do, you need to order according to the BEDMAS rule, right? So the division and then multiplication, addition, subtraction, right? So we got now here 2 operation, addition, subtraction. Of course, we add first 5 plus 24 is 28. 9. All right. Subtracted by 3. How? 26. Very good. Oops. All right. Another example. All right. So we have this brackets, multiplication, division, and also subtraction. Remember BEDMAS rule. The bracket first we need to consider the order, right? So it should be the operation inside of bracket first. So 3 minus 3 is 0, right? So it's 0. And then we have division and multiplication. So we should do the division first before multiplication, right? So it will be equals 36 divided by 6, 6. And then we have multiplication times 0. So any numbers multiplied by 0 equals 0. All right? Understood now? Okay. Next, another example. We have the combination of brackets or parentheses here with the power or exponent, and also with addition and multiplication and subtraction. Okay. So, bracket first. So, you have to consider the operation inside of this brackets or this parentheses. So, we can do first for this in the bracket, right? 56, okay, minus 6 square, 36. And then it's multiplied by, inside of this parenthesis, we have addition 4 plus 3, so we can calculate equals 7. Now, here we have inside of this parenthesis, we have subtraction, so 56 subtracted by 56 subtracted by 36, of course, is 20. Okay, and then multiply by 7. Of course, it will be 140. Sorry. Okay. One more example. So this is the last example. Okay, we have 5 plus 2 times in the parenthesis of 2 times 3, but with power. All right, the power of 2. So firstly, we need to consider bracket first, or the parenthesis here. Okay, so this one it will be, okay, just rewrite. It's okay, 2 times. This one, 2 times 3 is 6, so it's 6 square. Okay, and then we can rewrite again as 5 plus 2 times 6 square, 36, right? So, what to do now? We have addition, multiplication. Of course, we do multiplication, right? 2 times 36, how many? It's 72. And then you add with 5, it will be 77. All right? So that's it for the order of operation. I hope you understand with my explanation and how can you use the order of operation correctly in order to get the valid result of calculation. Thank you very much. Bye.